Hello, my name is Juan Lugo and welcome to the MHS Tech Committee screencast on how to paste pre-existing rubrics into our Orangeslice rubric maker. So the first thing we want to do is create a new document. Go to New, go down to Google Docs, create a Google Doc. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on add-ons. As in the previous video, add-on any application that further enhances the Google Doc workflow. Click on Orangeslice, then click on Score Rubric. Click on Score Rubric, and now we'll see a window pane open up here. Just like a regular rubric, all we're going to do, we're going to make it, create it with descending order, ABC, and we're going to do our performance levels, going to be the traditional approach. We're going to scroll down, and we're going to choose Got This One, a blank row. Go to all the way to the bottom, and click Create Rubric. So now you see that we have a blank rubric. We're going to go back to our drive and find the rubric we want. I want to use this copying writing rubric, so I'm going to open it up. I'm going to choose this box and just drag down and hide rubric. Sorry. We press Control-C, copy, return back to our document. We're going to paste it right in the box, Control-V. And then voila, we have it done. So everything has been posted in our rubric. We're going to go down to Score Rubric in the window pane. And then we're done. So now we've just copied it into the assignment, and now we're going to set our point values. I'm going to make it 100 points, and we're going to pick passing level A to D. We're going to make it 65%. Anything below 65% is failing. We have the performance levels are going to be descending, and we're going to include it even if they fail. We're going to come down here to finish, click finish, and now it's set. So then we're going to close it, and now you're going to see that when I open it to score the rubric, it will automatically pick up on these categories. So we're going to go to add-ons, click Orangeslice, and score the rubric. So here we have our first category, and we have all the levels. Here's our second category with all the levels. So you see that Orangeslice automatically picks up on all your rubric categories and allows you to grade them. And we also have our grade adjustments for extra credit, late penalties, and plagiarize. So now that we've copied it in and you see how it works, let's attach a question to it and then attach that to Google Classroom. So we're going to go back to our folder, and we're going to look at this template that I have. It's already attached. I'm going to scroll down. Sorry, scroll down. And I'm going to copy this question. Control-C. Go back to the undocumented one, scroll down, and paste the question in. I'm going to name it Daphne's Case Study Writing Prompt. Now that it's named, we're good. If you want to name it on the top, that's fine. I'll just copy this, paste, press Control-V, and now we have a writing prompt. Oh, misspelled it. Did not catch that. highlight it, bold it, center it, and increase the font size. So we have this assignment now. Now with this assignment, you're able to give this assignment and assign it to your kids with the rubric already attached to it so they could follow it as they write. So what you do now is we're going to go to Google Classroom. We're going to choose a class. So let's do it in my PLS class. Use Department PLS. We're going to attach it. I'm going to create an assignment. I'm going to call it Daffy's Value Assignment. Set the due date. Then I'm just going to go to my drive and search for Daphne's. Here it is. I'm going to double click it and it's going to add it. I'm going to choose it. Students make a copy for each. I'm going to click assign. And now, oh, I saw a mistake, so I could just edit. And now our students, when they open this assignment, will get their own copy with the rubric already attached, so they have something to follow along while they read and write, with the question on the bottom. It opens up automatically our scoring box. This will only happen for the teacher since we're the only ones that will have the Orangeslice teacher rubric installed as an add-on in our Google Docs extension. Now let's recap. In order to make a scoring rubric from a pre-existing rubric in your drive, all we need to do is open up the teacher rubric, create a rubric, make sure that we're going to create our own and make a blank row, then paste in our pre-existing rubric into the box, and then when we open it up, we'll see all these scoring options already placed in our rubric. This is Juan Lugo on behalf of Team Beard and the MHS Tech Committee, wishing you a wonderful day. Please give it a thumbs up and watch part 1 of this video in order to better understand.